Well, this tube right here, it's filled with wastewater from mid-Missouri, and two MU researchers have been studying samples just like this to see if the new Omicron variant is detected in these samples. They're just trying to get ahead in the same race everyone is fighting, bracing for the first case of the Omicron variant to make its way to the U.S.
Raw sewage. Lovely stuff.
Raw sewage, a key tool in detecting strains of COVID-19 in mid-Missouri.
If there is any community where this is spreading, we'll be able to detect it and fairly quickly.
Mark Johnson is one of two MU researchers looking for variants in the wastewater samples. Johnson says his lab extracts RNA segments from the wastewater samples it receives. His testing shows 2 mutations for strains we've already seen in the U.S., but
Omicron has 12. It will stand out like a sore thumb if it arrives.
The Omicron variant makes this kind of search different. He's not hoping to find what he's looking for. Johnson's lab determines what kind of variant is present, something global leaders and health officials are gearing up for.
This variant is a cause for concern, not a cause for panic.
Once those samples are brought over from Johnson's lab, they're taken here and then they're quantified. Quantification looks at samples in trays no bigger than this to see just how many strains of the variant are present.
Kind of have this like a comprehensive strategy to allow us to keep track of this specific variant and to understand how fast they spread.
Lin is another MU researcher leading this effort. The samples are quantified in his lab. Both researchers are echoing global concerns.
The main thing we need to do is what we've been needing to do for the last 8 months, which is get vaccinated.
And they're committed to the search of something they hope they won't find. Again, there are no confirmed cases of the Omicron variant that have been found in the U.S. so far. Johnson told me that for now, they're trying to screen as much of the state as possible so that if the variant does make its way here, they'll be ready. Reporting live here from the Bonn Life Sciences Center, Elise Schoenig, KOMU 8 News.